Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong, and I'm going to talk to you today about keeping your prostate healthy. I've been working with men for about 20 years now around the prostate. I got to do that because as a colon therapist, the prostate is just one of those glands that's just right there, and so it became apparent to me that I could be helpful to men with their prostate health. So we've developed a bunch of protocols that are very easy, very effective, very simple to use for your prostate health. So the prostate, that gland right there, sits right under the colon. It can easily get inflamed. It can be affected by toxins. It can be affected by constipation. It can be affected by stress. And what we've developed is a suppository protocol using our two essential oil blends. One is our Prostatitis essential oil blend. The other is the BPH essential oil blend. So for the BPH essential oil blend, benign, prostatic, hyperplasia, that blend is for the beginning stages of prostate issues, where you would drop in 3 to 10 drops of essential oils into some coconut oil into one of our two suppository trays. If you're a smaller person with a tighter anus, or if you're a larger person with a less tight anus, you'd use this bigger suppository tray to make the essential oils, and we have videos about that, so you can check those out if you're curious. And then our Prostatitis blend, which is more advanced prostate issues. Even if you're considering surgery, oftentimes I work with men who don't need to have the surgery anymore because they're using these essential oils that are antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and promote the flow of toxins out of the area, improve the body's health overall. So you tend to use this if you have a severe issue, like every night you're struggling with frequent urination, for instance, or if you're facing surgery, you're going to want to use the suppositories once a day. I think at bedtime is the best time to use it. So those are some general guidelines for improving your prostate health. And again, we've been doing this for 20 years. This stuff works. It's effective. It's affordable. It's easy to use. So if you need any support, you can reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com. And I do personally work with people one-on-one through a consultation process, which is under our services tab. You can check that out. And if you need any just general support, you can call us through our customer service line at 608-242-0200. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you.